Click on the link below to get price. The Cerwin Vega EL-36D 18 passive horn subwoofer with Tour Shield is a powerhouse designed for serious audio enthusiasts and professionals alike. Weighing in at a substantial 150 pounds, this subwoofer is built for durability and performance, making it a solid choice for both live events and fixed installations. One of the standout features of the EL-36D is its 18-inch woofer, which delivers impressive low-frequency output. The horn-loaded design enhances efficiency, allowing for an extended bass response that resonates deeply, making it ideal for genres requiring impactful bass, such as hip-hop, EDM, and rock. When properly powered, this subwoofer can produce frequencies as low as 30 Hz, ensuring that you feel the music rather than just hear it. Installation is straightforward, thanks to the robust Tour Shield that protects the speaker during transportation and setup. The cabinet is constructed from high-quality materials, enhancing durability while minimizing unwanted resonance. The subwoofer's design is not only functional but also aesthetically pleasing, featuring a sleek black finish that complements various setups. Performance-wise, the EL-36D excels in large venues. It pairs exceptionally well with Cerwin Vega's full-range speakers, creating a cohesive audio experience. The sound is clean, with minimal distortion even at high volumes, which is often a concern with large subs. The dynamic range is commendable, allowing for both thumping basslines and subtle low-end details to shine through. On the downside, its weight might pose challenges for solo transport, necessitating assistance for setup. Additionally, as a passive subwoofer, it requires an appropriate amplifier to realize its full potential, which could be an added expense for some users. Overall, the Cerwin Vega EL-36D 18 passive horn subwoofer is an outstanding choice for those seeking powerful bass performance coupled with rugged build quality. Whether for professional use or home audio setups, it delivers an immersive experience that is hard to match in its class.